Drive the highway and you skip things. I wanted to see those things. I grew up in New England and spent a fair amount of time along the Atlantic coast, so I'm no stranger to the ocean. But this stretch of California, I've lived an hour from it for over 30 years and barely touched it. This walk was my way of finally fixing that. So I trained 4 days a week for a month. Long walks, sore legs, and plenty of late afternoon naps, just to get ready. What I found was contrast. Crashing waves, quiet fields interrupted by the rumble of tractors. I passed surf towns and strawberry fields. I heard gulls overhead and the whine of trucks in front of me. And if you take it in, really take it in, it's a treat for your senses. The smell of tilled earth, the salt in the air, the colors, bold greens, dark browns, and more shades of blue than I'd ever noticed before. I documented this trip. You can find a link at the end of this video if you're looking for a more immersive viewing. I've also added links to my daily route in the description below.